Laurie Azzarella with ReflexOILogy here. We're talking about plantar fasciitis and bone spurs. Hi, I'm Laurie Azzarella from ReflexOILogy, and we're here to talk on a series of plantar fasciitis and also Achilles tendonitis, also bone spurs or heel spurs. So a lot of times you'll have people come in and they'll be complaining of pain in the heel. Now, pain in the heel can have a lot of different causes from it, but basically what we're talking about here is when they have heel pain in the center of the left foot, in this area right here. This is where the calcaneus bone can actually grow a little spur, onto which you have the plantar fascia, which is a tendinous muscle that attaches the heel to the upper metatarsals. So what happens with this is because the metatarsal arch in the foot is not supported well, and this can be done because we wear supportive shoes and we rely on the shoes and the footwear to support us rather than exercising the muscles of the feet. So when we have this strain on these muscles, that when we take our shoes off and begin to walk, the arch falls down and tears from the calcaneus insertion at this point. Now, a true heel spur can also be called plantar fasciitis, and that's how it can begin. In ReflexOILogy, we talk about the heel reflecting the pelvic area. Now, in the left, if the heel spur was on the left foot, in this area here, this also reflects the sigmoid colon reflex area. This can reflect a little constipation or inflammation in the large colon. So one of the things you can do is do a colon cleanse, because it would be this reflex area that would be inflamed and the body's talking to you, okay? So this is one way on the left foot specifically where this pain might be. You can also take your oil of choice and apply it right on there where the spur might be, and also extend it through the plantar aspect. A anti-inflammatory oil is really important. We have lavender, we can have peppermint, wintergreen, marjoram, basil, copaiba. These things are going to be very, very important to reducing inflammation in the heel itself. Now, another way we can also, where we can have a heel spur is in a lot of different areas. Some people will have it in the back over here as well. So the Achilles tendon is going to be coming down, and that tendon is going to be wrapping around and attaching to the bone to the heel. This is because of the inability of the calf muscles to stretch, okay? So what's happening every time you stretch this, you're actually tearing at the insertion site onto the calcaneus. So in order to stabilize that, person has to have, a lot of times they'll put boots on, or they'll accentuate, they'll wear a higher heel to keep this area resolved until the inflammation is dealt with. Now, through reflexes that I'll be showing in the series to come, we're going to work it a different way. But these are just some tips to get you started.